What's going on, guys? Hope all is well. Today's October 6th, 2K23. It's 4 o'clock. My office just asked me if I'll go on another call, which is like 29 minutes north where I'm at on Route 9 in New York. Basically, this is Broadway. It's like this street. If I go behind me, you could go all the way to Manhattan, Broadway. But I'm on Route 9. And it's a Carvel ice cream shop, and it just says no AC. So I'll see what it is when we get there. Sorry I haven't been posting in a while. Just been kind of whatever. I don't know. It's just not that, like, there's no like nice calls to film. And then when there are good calls to film, I'm alone, so I can't really hold the camera and change a compressor or TXV at the same time. But anyway, hope all is well. Let's check it out. Yo, what's up, guy? How you doing? What's going on? What happened? The fuse blew? The breaker's blowing? Tripping? Hold on, I can't hear you with that mask on. What'd you say?
So the breaker, I think it's blow out, and then I just turn on the breaker. Now they can run, but only can run until 75 degrees.
It won't go lower than 75?
It's almost like since almost 4 hours.
4 hours on 75?
Yeah.
Okay. But is the breaker tripped right now?
No, it's okay already.
Okay, can I see?
Turn on the breaker on 12 hours.
All right, let's go to the electrical panel if you don't mind.
Okay.
Thanks. How you doing?
Yeah, sir, how about you?
Good, thank you.
Because your guy was called me, but she didn't call.
How is he? Good?
See the breaker in this one?
Yeah, so this was tripped before?
Yep.
Okay.
You want to turn off? Or?
No, I'm going to leave it on. Is the door unlocked to go in the building?
Oh, I don't know. I have to ask the landlord.
You got to call that Italian guy. Ask him. The Goomba. Call him for me, will you?
I have to walk in. Just walk to the store.
Huh?
Just walk to the store there. He have a store in this.
He opened the deli?
No, not the deli, the store.
Next to it?
The maker.
Oh, the wood place?
The wood place.
Yeah, I'll go find him.
The kitchen, you know.
Yeah, I know who he is. All right, thank you. I go right now, yeah. Thank you, bro. So that wasn't like a racial slur. I'm Italian, and I'm as Italian as you get. So, but this guy's just an asshole that I got to go see. Hold the camera to the side when I talk to this guy. We get a kick out of him. Let's see if he acts up today. Hello, how are you?
Yes.
Is your son here?
No.
I need the key for the building to get on the roof for the Carvel.
Carvel over here?
Yeah. I need to check the air conditioning. He's got a problem.
Okay, let me see where he is, okay?
All right, or your husband, one or the other, please.
Okay, maybe I can get my husband.
All right, thank you. Oh, he's not here. They don't use heat here. Oh yeah, buddy boy. Chocolate. What is this? But he said his temperature's not coming down. Look at this. This Molex is trapped between this economizer door. That's one thing that I see. That's good right there. Moving a lot of heat. As the drain will show you. You can feel it there, but you guys can't feel it. Let me open this guy up, see if I see anything with contactors or anything. Check the belt. Change this belt. Let me run downstairs, grab a belt. AX38. This is crusty, dude. Look at that, boy. Oh, yeah. Nice. Cleaner. Owner, the employee, whatever, said that the breaker was tripped. So I want to go over here and check my amps on my compressor. I want to shut it down. Before I started, I shut it down when I checked that indoor fan, and then I started it up. I didn't like the compressor sound. It sounded like it had rocks, so I'm going to do starting amps right now. It didn't sound so bad this time. Supposed to be 208. It's low, so you're gonna get high amps. At the moment, I can't diagnose anything besides maybe this was dirty and it overamped. But I'm gonna take my temperature drop right now and then let it rock. I mean, I can't, if it's not doing what the guy said it's doing, it's not tripping. My amps are a little low, but my amps are a little high, but my voltage is a little low. So let me take a temp drop. This coil was plugged too, or at least here. This thing has to probably be opened and cleaned. Got a 20-degree drop there. Right up this contactor here. Indoor fan contactor. Compressor contactor looks fine. But like I said, I can't duplicate anything else right now. It's actually cooling very well. He said when he found the breaker was tripped, it was 80 something in the building, in the store. But it's come down to 75. So I'm gonna let it wait about 10 more minutes to see if it comes down to 74. If not, I'm gonna let it rock. I didn't know it came down 10 some odd degrees, according to him. So before he was saying it won't come lower than 75, but it was 80 something before. So it's definitely cooling. I don't know. Let's wait a little while. Guys, that's a wrap show. It's all set. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day. And have a good weekend too. Take care. Thank you.